Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go, homemade peppermint patties. Creamy mint filling plus rich chocolate shell equals perfection. Let me know, dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Okay, we're gonna need a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Alright, first we have to chop up some chocolate. Okay, for the filling, in a large bowl, combine powdered sugar, softened butter, heavy cream, and peppermint extract. We're gonna mix that until smooth and thick. It should hold its shape. We're going to roll the peppermint mixture between two pieces of parchment paper till it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then we're going to remove the top sheet of paper, and using a round cutter, we're going to cut uniform circles. Then we're going to place the circles on a parchment lined cookie sheet. You can re-roll the dough scraps and make more circles. Now we're going to chill those in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. We're going to place the chopped chocolate and coconut oil in a double boiler on the stove. And we're going to melt that until smooth. Now using a fork, we're going to dip each chilled patty into the melted chocolate and tap off the excess and return to the parchment paper. Now we're going to put the pan back in the fridge to set up the chocolate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can store these in an airtight container lined with a bit of parchment paper in the fridge. So there you go, peppermint patties. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.